Hi guys, let me listen from you who's your enemy. But I guys, let you listen from me who is the enemy of mine in my life. My fashion is my enemy. My profession is my enemy. My fashion, doing farming. I'm just like a farmer because I belong to a farmer family background. So my enemy is my fashion, my profession. Why? Let's see. I always remember about my fashion and I always get crazy. You know, I always fed up with it with working hard at my land. And let's see my profession. I always remember vocabularies and search for good words, phrases, conjunction, interjection, preposition, everything that I want to get accuracy in my pronunciation and English. So I think my profession is also my enemy because I always miss it and I hate it. I always find good one it.